After the successful launch of our rainforest residences, we are ready to announce the start of a new phase of our master plan vision. For those of you who dream of one day fishing from their own backyard, today we're officially launching a new reservation program specifically for the purchase of marina slips at Crocodile Bay Marina.
Just imagine, thanks to this success, we are years ahead of schedule. But the evolution at Botánika has really just begun. If you've ever dreamed of slowing down to the speed of light, or to perhaps fishing from your own backyard, get ready for the most exciting phase yet.
Where the land meets the ocean is always a beautiful place. But in the Osa Peninsula, where one of only 4 natural tropical fjords in the world exists, beauty takes on a whole new dimension.
And it is here that Crocodile Bay Marina and Marina Village will coexist as one, within its natural surroundings and spectacular views.
With a team of professional engineers and architects assigned and tasked to design what will be renowned as one of the most environmentally sensitive marinas in the region. And as one of only 6 marinas in the country, Crocodile Bay Marina will be a source of pride to all of those of us who call the Osa Peninsula home. The master plan includes a seaside commercial village with a market deli, yacht chandlery, a 2-story Tiki bar overlooking the marina, a gift shop, concierge services, and a tour office for residents, owners, and marina guests. Marina services will also include a guest laundry, luggage storage, meeting facilities, and a boat launching area. An ice cream parlor and bakery will add to the charm of the seaside village. Botánika will be the only resort in Costa Rica to have a luxury condominium hotel set out over the water. This hotel will offer stunning views of the Gulf, and along with the upland residential portion of the project, will be branded by the most respected hotelier in the world.
I invite you to participate as a reservation holder and to have the opportunity to be prioritized for slip selection in a program that bears absolutely no risk or obligation. With only 50 marina slips available for sale in a country with just 4 marinas, the scarcity factor of this offering is unparalleled.